Alright, so we're going to make some topography using a couple of different methods here. And I want to show you what these guys look like. So basically these are AutoCAD drawings that are in a different Z coordinate for each line. So this one is at 0, 1, 2, and 3 feet. You can do this in Rhino as well, but they do have different Z coordinates. So the first way I'm going to make a topo surface is to select it as an import instance. So I'm going to go to my Massing and Site tab. I'm going to click on Topo Surface. I'm going to go Create from Import. Select Import Instance, and it will pick either the link or the import of the AutoCAD drawing. So you just click on it, and then you select the layer that you want to topo. So this is layer 1 and this is layer 0. So I'm going to pick layer 1 and click OK. And it's going to give me a warning because there's some additional points in here. So I'm just going to close that. And you can come through, and if I go to wireframe here, you can delete these points out. You don't really need these points. They're additional to the file. It really only needs the top topography points. And basically what Revit is doing, if we come in here and pick one of these points, you'll see that that point is at 3 feet. That point is at 3 feet. This one's going to be at 2. This one's going to be at 1. And then it joins that surface together. So I've just got a few little extra points in here that I'm getting rid of. And then I can hit my big green check up here, come down here, go to shaded, and you can see that topography. Now, if you have something like this, it will do almost exactly the same thing, but without the extras. So if I go to Massing and Site, I go to Topo Surface, go to Create from Import Instance, select Import Instance, and choose layer 0 instead of layer 1. It will put pretty much the exact same points on there with the same result without the additional ones, right? Now, another way that you could do this, if I delete this topo surface, is you can go to Topo Surface and you can place points. So I can come in here and say at elevation 3 feet, I want a point here, point there, and then I can start to work my way across this guy, right? And then I can go down to 2 feet, work my way across this guy. You kind of want to have about the same number of points as you go across. Makes it easier for the computer to put the triangulated form on there. So I'm just going to kind of come in and be pretty consistent about the number of points that I put across. And the last one at 0. And big green check. And now you have the different topo surfaces. All right.